Hi guys, I'm Celia, and I have been struggling with a really bad breakout since November of 2019. And I feel like I've tried a lot of things and nothing is really making it get any better. Obviously, this isn't something that's super easy to talk about or show the world, but I know that a lot of people are struggling with this too. So I'm going to be trying out a bunch of different products to help with whiteheads, blackheads, acne, scarring. Today I'm trying out this pore scrubber. It's a tool that uses water and sound waves to unclog your pores and exfoliate dead skin cells. This is one of the highest rated pore scrubbers on Amazon with almost 3,000 reviews and 4.5 stars. So before I start, I quickly want to get the opinion of Sophie Pavitt, who's an esthetician in New York City. So I'm gonna FaceTime her. Do you think they're effective, or is this something that you would use and recommend using?
I do. I think that you have to be careful with them. So you can either penetrate products better with it, or you can use it to gently exfoliate the skin. Now, if you want to do exfoliate, the best thing to do is to actually cleanse the skin so it's nice and clean, but leave the skin wet. And the reason why is you want that slide of to glide over the surface of the skin instead of it pulling. So you'll use it, absolutely. So you can use it, pull the skin tight a little bit, and then you're going to gently, again, move it very, very slowly over the surface of the skin. You don't want to use too much pressure. If you use too much pressure, you're going to cause irritation to the skin and also can leave some marks, especially around the nose. I see people using them like really aggressively, and you can get broken capillaries around the nose and irritation. Everybody wants when they're cleaning out their skin.
Okay, to make sure if this thing is actually doing anything, I'm going to go in with my handy dandy microscope and we're gonna look at my pores. And I really don't want to do this, but... Oh, I hate that a lot. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. This is really embarrassing. What is that? Oh my word. Dude, I'm never gonna get a boyfriend after this. I'm gonna put a steam towel on my face to just soften my pores so they're a little bit easier to extract. Now that my pores are open and my face is damp, we're gonna go in with the spatula. It sort of just feels like I'm being like very lightly electrocuted. Not that I know what that feels like, but... This is what it's gotten so far. My face is feeling a little bit hot and bothered. It feels a little bit uncomfortable, but it's nothing bad. So halfway through testing it, I actually noticed that the end of my spatula is attached in the opposite direction shown in all of the product pictures on Amazon, and I kept getting confused and using it flipped both ways. Good news is I could clearly see it working on either side, and the instructions actually don't specify which way to use it, but Sophie does recommend using the spatula with the edge pointed down for extractions. Now that I could actually see that it was taking things out of my pores, from using it, I could see it coming out, so I'm interested to see if my pores actually look any different. Pores look okay. Like, there's definitely still some clogged ones, for sure. So, this is one part of my nose where I feel like there isn't that much of a difference. But if you go over here, where I feel like I really concentrated a lot because this is like a really big problem area, I feel like there is a bit of a difference. Like, this looks pretty clear here. For the most part, I do think it looks a bit cleaner. I don't know. I'm seeing a little bit of a difference. It's nothing mind-boggling, nothing like life-changing, but I am finding that they look a little bit cleaner. I think it was really satisfying and really cool that I could see the gunk coming out onto the spatula. I could also see it just with my eyes, and then seeing a little bit of a difference in my actual pores. That was really cool to me, and that makes me want to use this again because I can see that it actually was working. It may not be the end-all be-all extractor, but I definitely think it works, and it is something that I'll keep on using. Whew.